Hello and welcome. This is a video on CamStudio, which you can download by typing in CamStudio in the Google search engine or appropriate search engine, and you get to this link, CamStudio.org. Click on that, and it's a free streaming video software that this is what most people use, or they tend to use, which is because it's free to upload videos to YouTube. This at the time I made this video on the 23rd December 2011, the version that was available is version 2.6. If you go to the download links part of the page on their site, there is that one, CamStudio 2.6 beta, which has both the video software and the codec all together, so you just install it. And I've installed it on my XP machine and it works fine, as you can see. Only thing is, because it's free and open source, you can donate. Just read. It's for non-commercial use. It's free. There is a video on their page down here which says if you not sure how to download it, to click here and watch the video, which is a flash video, and then it tells you how to go about downloading the. Well, they've got this version, I think, the old version, where you download the zip program and the zip codec, and then you extract the codec and the program, but you have to install the codec first and in the old version, and then run the program. The recommended is lossless codec, which actually works fine. I have tried others people have suggested on YouTube, and they've uploaded their videos. And the settings, you have to find the ones that suit you. If you go to their FAQ page, it actually tells you once you install the program. Scroll down to the page where it says how to optimize settings to make your recordings for YouTube. There it is. How can I optimize the video settings to get the best results? If you are recording yourself demonstrating something on your computer, these are the settings: 30 frames, 50 milliseconds, and 20 frames per second, as is stated there. And the codec is CamStudio lossless quality 70%. I've actually can't show you the program, but I've taken pictures, because every time I did that and made a video, it crashed. So then you have to do your settings again. Once you've set it and then you start making videos, the settings keep intact. And this is what it looks like, the new version. You go to File, which tells you how to you can record, pause and stop. You can change the settings in, I think it's options or tools, and it allows you to use keyboard commands. F8 is for start recording, F9, which is what I'm going to use to stop the recording, and F10 to cancel it. So then it hides this window. Then the next page, it shows you in the help here. If you click that, you get this version, which is version 2.6. So this is what shows on my screen. And it says donate if you like, but it's free. And then you fix the region to set the size of the recording for YouTube standard, and this was my original setting, so I've changed it to 640 and 360 and tick that. That looks fine. And then when you go to the video options, you choose CamStudio lossless codec version 1.5. That works fine. Try DivX, it gives an error message. And also TextMate gives you lower quality, I hear people say, and there's videos to show that. So this is the best one. Why would they design another one when it wouldn't work with CamStudio? So stick to the one they make. I've changed the quality from the previous settings of I think, yeah, 70, 30 frames, 50 and 20, which is what they mentioned in their on their FAQ page. And you can try that. May tend to lag, not sync the video and the mouse when you're demonstrating, but if I've changed it to that following some tips on YouTube, and it seems to work fine. The idea is to make it so that it syncs your video and mouse movements, and also makes the file small enough to upload to YouTube. Otherwise the video is too big and the audio is too big. Here it is, the auto pan speed. I think it defaults to 20, but I changed it to 100, like so. Just move the cursor and click OK till it says 100. The audio options for microphone, I've set mine, this is OK, PCM, it defaults to that. I leave that as it is, but I've changed mine to MPEG layer 3, like so, and then saved it as MPEG layer. Just select the format from PCM to MPEG layer 3, call it MPEG layer 3, and you can see the difference. There's MPEG layer 3 and the PCM, slight difference, but then the video is smaller. And there it is. Leave the rest of it as milliseconds, click OK, and then on the effects, you'll see on the bottom left my text caption appears. So you change the effects from here. I've just done that. Caption, click options, and then you get a window where you want the positions up in the bottom corner, and then change the text and background color. And then there's the new settings for fixed pan region, that makes the video smaller. There is an option in the new version of doing the whole video window, and the old version 1 point whatever it was, the blue icon, it didn't give you that option. So you could only have the region fixed and another, but no like the window size. So now you can do the whole screen, but then the video is larger. And that was my previous setting, and we're back to the old the version. Right, so that's basically it. And the other thing is, when the video finishes, you just click F9, and then I put my videos in a folder. Oh, sorry, wrong one. Cam videos in, say, one of these folders, CamStudio. As you can see, it's making my video and the audio file. And you have to change the settings in the program when you go to your program, file, program, and then tell you where, asks which direct you want to save it. Otherwise, because it saves it to Windows temporary folder. And also I've chosen this drive and this folder, so it keeps it separate. So just be aware of that. And the other thing is, it opens up in the default when you finish the recording to play back in the CamStudio player. You could leave that as is, or it may default to the Windows Media Player if you've got that one on the window. Right, to see the size of the file, I've been doing some test settings, and you can see that the test file, there's a test length, which I did, and it's 387 megabytes and 24 minutes long. It's obviously too big for YouTube. If you reduce that by making that format to convert it to MPEG-4, or it brings it down to 12 minutes and 151. So you have to play around with the timing, size, but if you made it into a flash video, I've done some test runs. For example, the normal video is 15 minutes, 234, 640 to 360. Convert that to MPEG-4, and it reduces to 78 megabytes and 12 minutes, which is YouTube standard, so it'll upload. I've just done that, and you can see the difference, 4896 to 59. And the way to convert it, you get a lovely program on if you type in Free Studio, if you go to the home page and type in Free Studio, and you get to this website, which allows you to download, have a read at this website. It's download one installation, 45 programs. There it is, and it's free. It's for Windows XP, and there's the free studio. Contains all these 45 freeware. Allows you to convert. The one you want is, they keep changing it because they try to catch up with YouTube standard, and things change on Facebook when you upload it. The one you want is the WebM video converter. So when you've downloaded the program, it looks like so, and there is loads of programs, right? And then one of them is this one. Click on that, and all you do is it looks like this. Make that bigger. There it is. You then add your file by selecting that recording, the bigger WMV file or AVI file, right? AVI files, add, and then the path, where you want the video to end up and which format. So I choose MP4, or you can use a flash, and then setting accordingly to suit your standard. I've chosen high quality MP4. You can try flash video, makes the that's acceptable in YouTube. I haven't uploaded it, but you can see the difference. So the flash video is 39, high quality, and about 12 minutes, whereas the version 1 is 59. So there's a difference in 20 megabytes. And I've just done a flash video 2, which is makes a slight difference there. But it's under 100 megabytes, so you can upload it to YouTube. And that's it. Enjoy. Follow the instructions on the website, see what you need, and I've started making videos. Thank you. Bye for now.